across to the National Stock Exchange as well. Our colleague Vinny is there, and I think she has the CEO Ashish Kumar Chauhan with her. Vinny, happy Diwali, and happy Diwali to Ashish ji as well. Take it away.
Absolutely. Surbi, I'll pass on your message as well. So happy Diwali to you from team CNBC TV18, and thank you so much. It's a very special day. 2080 Samvat ending today and 2081 beginning, sir. Indian equities, obviously we've seen that run-up coming in the stock market. What are you watching out for in 2081? Obviously, Indian equities, no one like this in the world trades at this level. What are your thoughts?
No, first and foremost, wish a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year 2081. Vikram Samvat for all the viewers of CNBC TV18 and all the sister channels. India has been doing phenomenally well compared to the rest of the world. China, has not done so well, or doesn't. People don't expect it to do so well. At the same time, US and Europe were struggling with their inflation issues. That's why they had increased the interest rates, and they thought they had a control over the inflation. But the way the US election is going, people are expecting that there's going to be more interest rates going up rather than going down, although the Fed wanted to bring it down. So last month or so, we have seen a bit of a correction in Indian market also, and largely because of the money going back to US because of the unexpected increase in the interest rates that has taken place. And of course, last 2 quarters, we have done a little less spend on the infrastructure as a country vis-a-vis what we had predicted at the time of the budget. And so we have enough slack available today for next 6 months to do much more investments in the infrastructure, which is going to probably bring up the growth rate even further than what is expected by RBI and others. So broadly speaking, these are the two plays that are currently on, and India is growing at a faster pace than the rest of the world, despite the fact that there has been some sort of a slowness in demand in many of the advanced countries. But overall, because of the services and also pharmaceuticals and other areas where India is doing well, I think India will continue to do well.
Absolutely, sir. India will continue to do well. So where are we expecting India by 2082 beginning? Where will we see the Nifty now? Right now, yes, last few weeks have been a bit of a subduedness. But what is our growth story on that front?
In a way, for me, my job is to regulate. And if you look back at the past somewhat, the Nifty gave 25% despite the recent correction. And the Nifty 500, which is the 500 stock index, has given 30% return. So overall, last year has been very good, and I expect
similar growth rates?
Absolutely.
Absolutely, sir. And retail investors, right? They have come in so well, and they've been participating since COVID. Do you think, that is going to continue? We have seen that boom of SMEs also coming in, where, retail investors need to be a bit cautious. If you could talk about the participation on both these fronts.
Retail investors, there are around 8 crore, 8.2 crores. 25% increase in one single Samvat. It's a very large number on a larger base, because now we are having 20% of all households in India directly invest in stock markets through National Stock Exchange. And that's a very large number. We are literally approaching, if you look at EPFO and other indirect methods, then we are approaching literally developed country standards in terms of the percentage of people investing into the markets, and largely because of 2 reasons. One is the toughness of the regulators over last 30 years since NSE was set up. NSE started its operations in equities market on November 3, 1994 evening, which was a Diwali day.
Oh, wow.
So today we are also celebrating our 30 years of completion. But more importantly, over those 30 years, even the regulators have ensured that one side, the corporate governance improves, the other side, the operational tightness to ensure that the investors don't get cheated or they don't participate in the unnecessary instruments. And that's where recently SEBI has also come out with a new framework for the derivatives. And overall, I've seen that as and when the markets
Well, there is Ashish.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.